Hey, welcome back, modelers. Got another product review for you, and we're going to be looking at the Mr. Hobby Mr. Nikoto Note station. So basically a paint station. So a few things we can do with this is they have the different clip systems where you insert them in these grooves and then you can paint some stuff. So this particular one came with these alligator clips, and so you can use those in here. But then there's also kind of these binder clip type things. Well, Mr. Almighty clip, basically what they call it. So with that, this will hold up a really good, easy flat part for there. The other thing that's cool about this station is gonna grab one of these that I just cut some twisty ties and then have something set on that. So if I want to elevate a tank or something like that. Otherwise, you got these parts here. So let me show you what that looks like when you're actually doing it. Okay, so I've got them clipped in. So some of these you might still attach to the parts tree, like that. But I found out that these little binder clip kind are pretty dang good for just holding on to these just little nub that I have on there. So you can just clip them right on like that. Spray it, take those little teeny nubs off, and then you're good to go. So I'm surprised. I was kind of, I don't know if this will be super useful, but I like these more than the alligator clip ones. It's like, here's another example where it's just holding on just by one little nub. So you can go in and spray all that, set it down, or spray them all together, however you want to do them. But this makes your painting process much, much easier. So let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you in the next video.